In this video, I will show you how to buy tickets for an Arsenal match. Start by going to the official Arsenal website. Once you are on the homepage, scroll down until you see the list of events. Keep scrolling until you find the match you want to buy tickets for. If tickets are available for that match, you will see a Buy Tickets option. If tickets are sold out, the option will be greyed out, just like it is for Premier League games right now. Click on Buy Ticket for the match you want, and it will take you to the event's ticketing website. Here, you will see a stadium map with different seating sections. If a section is available, you can click on it. If a section is greyed out, that means all the seats in that area are sold out. Select a section that has available seats. The map will zoom in, and you will now see all the individual seats in that section. Click on any available seat to select it. Ticket prices will be higher for adults and lower for children. Once you have selected your seats, click Add to add them to your cart. Now, click on the cart icon to go to the checkout page. Here, you will see all the details about your selected tickets, including the total price. If everything looks good, click Proceed to Checkout to complete your purchase. That's it. You now have your tickets for the Arsenal match. If this video was helpful, check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.